Welcome to the top picks. The best picture hangers is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone looking to adorn their living spaces with cherished memories and artwork without the fear of leaving permanent marks on their walls, offering a versatile and damage-free way to display everything from family photos and framed prints to decorative plates and even lightweight mirrors, ensuring that your home's aesthetic can be updated as often as you like without compromising the integrity of your paint or plaster. Number 5. EZlifego Heavy Duty Nano Mounting Tape. Introducing our revolutionary tape, crafted with advanced nanotechnology and the latest acrylic gel. It offers incredible adhesion and durability for all your mounting needs. Forget tools and waiting. This powerful tape bonds instantly to any surface, holding objects firmly in place. Simply cut to size and stick for an immediate, strong hold. Our industrial-strength adhesive is weatherproof and traceless, perfect for smooth surfaces both inside and outside your home. It adheres reliably to walls, glass, tile, metal, and more. With its strong holding power, you can mount pictures, decorations, shelves, and more without drilling holes or using nails. It's the versatile solution for all your DIY projects. This all-purpose tape simplifies every task, making your projects a breeze. For easy removal, peel slowly parallel to the surface to avoid residue or damage. What we like? This tape uses advanced nanotechnology for incredible adhesion. It's easy to cut to any size you need, making it perfect for DIY projects. If you're looking for a versatile, strong adhesive for various surfaces and don't want to drill holes, this is a great choice. What people say. These picture hanging strips are a lifesaver for renters. They hold frames securely without any nails or screws, and when you remove them, the walls are left completely undamaged. It's amazing how strong they are, holding up even heavier frames with ease. I was skeptical at first, but these strips really do work as advertised. They're super easy to apply, just peel and stick. My gallery wall looks fantastic, and I don't have to worry about filling nail holes when I move out. The adhesive is strong, but they come off cleanly. Number 4. GLUIT Heavy Duty Adhesive Wall Hooks, 12-pack. Introducing our heavy-duty adhesive hooks, designed for secure hanging without damaging your walls. They are perfect for organizing your space, from the kitchen to the outdoors. These transparent hooks blend seamlessly with any surface, making them ideal for a variety of uses. Keep your tools, towels, and everyday items neatly organized. Experience reliable performance with hooks that can hold up to 22 pounds on smooth surfaces. They are great for hanging everything from towels to small bags. Applying these hooks is a breeze, no tools required. Simply peel, stick, and enjoy. They can be easily repositioned and reused after cleaning. Crafted from durable stainless steel and PVC, these hooks are built for longevity. They maintain their strength and appearance over time, unaffected by moisture. For the strongest grip, ensure the surface is clean and dry before application. Press firmly and wait 24 hours before hanging items to achieve maximum hold. What we like? These hooks are crafted from durable materials and can hold up to 22 pounds on smooth surfaces. Their transparent design makes them nearly invisible, and they are waterproof. If you need strong, discreet hooks for bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor use and want to avoid drilling, these are ideal. What people say. This product is amazing and works perfectly for hanging pictures without damaging walls. The design is sleek and modern, and the functionality is top-notch. I love how easy it is to use and the fact that it leaves no marks on the wall. Number 3. Jwxstore Heavy Duty Transparent Adhesive Wall Hooks. Tired of unsightly hooks ruining your decor? Our unique transparent design makes these hooks virtually invisible, blending seamlessly with any home or outdoor setting. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and PVC, these hooks are designed for durability. They are rust-resistant and color-fast, ensuring they look great for years to come. Forget drills and nails. Simply peel and stick these hooks onto any smooth surface. Installation is quick, easy, and leaves no damage behind. From coats and towels to keys and plants, these hooks handle it all. They are perfect for organizing your home, kitchen, bathroom, and even for holiday decorations. Each hook boasts a 33 pounds weight capacity, providing a strong and reliable hold. Get a set of 24 to meet all your organizational needs with a modern, stylish touch. Maximize your space with the innovative 180-degree rotating design. Easily adjust the angle to fit your needs and keep your areas tidy. What we like. This set offers heavy-duty hooks with a 33 pounds maximum load and a unique 180-degree rotating design for space saving. They are made of rust-resistant stainless steel and PVC. If you need versatile, strong, and space-efficient hooks for various smooth surfaces in your home or office, this pack is a practical solution. What people say. These picture hanging strips are a lifesaver for renters. They hold my framed photo securely without any nails or holes, and they come off cleanly when I move. I was skeptical at first, but these strips really do work. They're easy to apply, and my heavy mirror hasn't budged an inch. Great for renters or anyone who doesn't want to damage their walls. Number 2. 3M Claw 45 pounds Drywall Picture Hanger. Introducing the 45 pounds, 3M Claw Drywall Picture Hanger. Made from hardened steel, each one is proven to hold up to 45 pounds, perfect for your pictures, mirrors, and other heavy items. Our engineered hardened steel claws lock securely into drywall anywhere. This means you can hang large mirrors and art with ease, without needing to find a stud. Forget about anchors and studs. This drywall hanger offers an incredibly easy solution for hanging all your desired wall decor. Achieve perfect placement every time with the included spot markers. You won't have to measure, eliminating guesswork for the ideal spot. This hanger is reusable, making it simple to decorate and redecorate your home or office space whenever inspiration strikes. It's the heavyweight hanging solution you need for room decor and office decor, including mirrors or large art. What we like. These hangers feature hardened steel claws that lock securely into drywall without needing studs or anchors. They are designed for a simple push, hang, and done installation. If you need to hang heavy items like large mirrors or art easily and securely on drywall, this is a straightforward solution. What people say. This is a great product for hanging pictures without damaging walls. It is easy to use and holds pictures securely. The adhesive is strong and does not leave any residue when removed. Number 1. Command Picture Hanging Kit. Easily hang up to 15 of your favorite pictures with this comprehensive kit. It includes various strips and hangers to suit all your decorating needs. Say goodbye to holes and sticky residue. Our innovative strips allow you to decorate your walls without causing any damage, keeping them looking beautiful. Forget the hammer and nails. You can securely and levelly display your decor anywhere with a simple press, click, and hang. These strips hold strongly on a variety of surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and glass. Decorate your home or office with complete confidence. When it's time to redecorate or take down your display, they remove easily. Enjoy a clean finish with no sticky residue or wall damage. Ideal for seasonal decorations, holiday art, and festive signs. You can change your decor as often as you like without worry. What we like. This kit provides a damage-free way to hang multiple pictures and decor without nails or sticky residue. It includes various types of strips and hangers for different needs and holds strongly on many surfaces. If you love to redecorate frequently or want to avoid wall damage, this is perfect for renters or anyone who likes a clean finish. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for renters. I love how easy these are to use, and they hold my pictures securely without any damage to the walls. The adhesive is strong, but it removes cleanly without leaving any residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.